Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord internal server error 500. Let's fix it guys. Method one, you just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies and select see all site data and permissions. In search you just need to search Discord. Click on the trash icon next to it and select the delete option. After doing it, just to close tab here. Now press Windows key and R key together and type percentage app data, percentage again, click on OK. Now double click on the Discord and select cache, code cache, GPU cache. Right click on the three folder and select delete option and select this. Click on this drop down and select right click and select quit Discord. And now select try again option. And now it will be deleted guys, and just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it, select view network status and task, select connection and select properties, select internet protocol version 4 and select properties, select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111, alternative DNS server type 1001 and click on OK and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as an administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands, just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your internet access will be back and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4 is to use an alternative browser because the problem may in the Chrome. So you can use Brave, Firefox, Opera, Edge as an alternative to Chrome. And I hope one of these methods fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.